Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo muffins in the microwave. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 6 Oreo cookies, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or melted butter. This quick recipe is perfect for a sweet treat. Now let's prepare the batter. Start by crushing your Oreo cookies. You can put them in a bag and gently smash them or just break them up with your hands. In a microwave-safe mug, combine the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Then, add the milk and oil, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in most of your crushed Oreos, saving a few for later. It's time to microwave your delicious muffin. Pour the batter into your microwave-safe mug. Place the mug in the microwave and cook on high for approximately 1 minute to 1 minute 30 seconds. Cooking times can vary, so keep an eye on it. The muffin is ready when it's firm to the touch and springs back slightly. Be careful, it will be hot. Your Oreo microwave muffin is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully remove the hot mug from the microwave. Now, sprinkle the remaining crushed Oreo pieces on top for an extra crunch and visual appeal. For an even more indulgent treat, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Let it cool for a minute, then dig in and savor your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.